Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Invest in Knowledge series. Today, we will be learning more about annual reports. We'll cover important information such as what annual reports are, where to find them, and how to use them to gain valuable insights into a company's performance. Let's get started. Essentially, an annual report is a comprehensive document that publicly discloses a company's financial performance over the past year. Imagine it as a detailed report card for a company, outlining its successes and challenges. These reports provide a wealth of information for investors, shareholders, and other stakeholders. Before we continue, remember to hit subscribe for weekly wealth creation tips. Key components of an annual report include the following. Income statement. This shows revenues, expenses, and ultimately, the company's profit or loss. Think of it like your personal income statement, your income versus your bills. Balance sheet. This is a snapshot of the company's financial health at a specific point in time, showing assets, liabilities, and shareholder equity. It's like a snapshot of your bank account, listing what you own and what you owe. Cash flow statement. This document tracks the movement of cash in and out of the company. This helps you understand how the company generates and uses cash. Management Discussion and Analysis, or MD&A for short. This section provides insights into the company's performance, discusses key factors that impacted their results, and outlines their plans for the future. You'll also find other valuable information like corporate governance details, risk factors, and often a letter from the CEO sharing their vision for the company. Finding these reports is easier than you might think. They can be found on the company's or the Securities and Exchange Commission website. Most publicly traded companies make their annual reports readily available on their investor relations section. In the United States, publicly traded companies are required to file their annual reports with the SEC. You can access these filings directly on the SEC website. Now, let's talk about how to use this treasure trove of information. First, understand the company's financial health. Analyze the financial statements to assess the company's profitability. Are they consistently increasing revenue? Are their expenses well controlled? Are they generating enough cash to fund future growth? Second, gain insights into management's perspective. Read the MD&A carefully. What are management's key priorities? What challenges do they foresee? How are they planning to address them? Third, identify growth opportunities. Look for signs of growth, such as expanding into new markets, launching new products, or increasing market share. Fourth, assess risk factors. Identify potential risks that could impact the company's future performance, such as increased competition, changing regulations, or economic downturns. While annual reports provide invaluable insights, it's important to remember that they have some limitations. Annual reports are backward-looking. They focus on past performance, which may not always be indicative of future results. Annual reports have the potential for bias. Management may present information in a way that portrays the company in the most favorable light. In conclusion, annual reports are an invaluable resource for investors and anyone interested in understanding a company's financial performance. By carefully analyzing these reports, you can make more informed investment decisions and gain a deeper understanding of the companies you're interested in. Remember to always conduct thorough research and consider all available information before making any investment decisions. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more wealth creation tips. Bye.